Oh, hey there, neighbor.
Hey, what's going on?
Yeah, what are you up to today?
Oh, it's oil change day.
Oil change day? What's all that stuff?
It's my oil change stuff.
Oh, well, have you heard of Valvomax?
No?
Well, you can drain oil with only a drain tube and a bag.
Without all this?
Absolutely.
I don't know. This has always worked for me and my grandpa. Might stick to this.
All right, whatever suits you.
All right. Good luck. Sure open one of these. Oh. Oh no.
Okay, well, that was easy. How's it going over there, neighbor?
Everything's fine, but I think we need to talk about Valvomax again.
Hey, I'm putting some hamburgers on. Do you want anything?
No, I'm good. I could use a funnel though.